Hello everybody, welcome to So Much TV, welcome to Porsche Centre Bournemouth as well. I'm here on a little bit of business elsewhere at the centre and came across a car that I thought, oh, that's quite interesting, it's a little bit left field and it's possibly right for a quick video to explain the model series, because although the car in question behind is a Cayenne, the car or the trim level is available across the entire Porsche sports car lineup, 911, Boxster, Cayman included. So regardless of your Porsche persuasion in terms of models, this hopefully should be quite relevant to you. What is it? Well, it's the Black Edition. Porsche has used the Black Edition traditionally as a bit of a end of model line sort of product special, basically a way to boost a bit of sales. And from us as the customer's point of view, it offers a bit more trim at what's considered really good value. The first Black Edition that I can recall was on the 911, 997.2 generation of around 2011, again used as a run-out special for the end of 997.2 production, with the 911 Carrera Black Edition. And as I said, since then it's been rolled out across the entire Porsche portfolio for its cars, and isn't necessarily these days treated as a run-out special. It just is something that offers a bit more trim at really good value, essentially. Now, what's interesting is you might think, well, that's going to be a black car, and historically it was. I think it was basalt black or jet black metallic. Those were the options. These days, that's not necessarily the case. It's in terms of like the black accents, that's exactly what they are, like trim, extra bits of trim as well as aesthetics. It's just black accents. You can have your Black Edition in any exterior or indeed interior colour that you wish. As a case in point, there's a Taycan over at the other side of the showroom. I'll just quickly pop in some B-roll here that you can see that's in chromite, evidently not black. So yeah, that is like the first myth to debunk with the Black Edition. So in any case, I'll show you quickly around the Cayenne Black Edition behind me so you can see exactly what it is. It's worth pointing out that the Black Edition on the Cayenne, and it's the new Cayenne really, this one's the internal combustion engine car, is available across all Cayenne body styles. So coupe and SUV, but also different powertrains. So it's available across the base Cayenne, the S, which is the V8 petrol for internal combustion engine, and the E-hybrid as here, okay? What do you get with the Black Edition package? You get a sport design front bumper, which as the model lineup matures, that tends to then be found on the GTS models. Larger side air intakes, slightly more chiselled, aggressive look on there. So you get that with the Black Edition. You get HD matrix headlights, which have 64,000 pixels. The lighting system on modern Porsches really is outstanding, and the result of its Weissach, the R&D facility, Porsche's R&D facility at Weissach, having its own light tunnel built a couple of years ago, and we're seeing the fruits of that now. Fantastic lights, they are standard specification. Wheels is also standard spec on this chromite black example. And you get the gold, the Porsche crest is coloured rather than black and white, and you also get on the wheels black trim. I think the standard spec out the box for the Black Edition is the RS Spider wheels, which are sort of multi-spoke inspired by motorsport. And again, they're like lit around the edge of those is black. You get black mirrors, which you can obviously see here. You also get the window trim is finished in high gloss black as well. The tailpipes, as you can see, guess what colour they're finished in? No, the answer is not black. Just to keep you on your toes there. It's a bronze, allegedly, in there. But again, just adds a bit of sporting intent. And then also the badging. That is black. As you can see here with this E-hybrid example. Okay, so that's like the exterior. Inside, there is plenty of extra goodies thrown in as well. You get the illuminated door sills. You usually get leather interior as here, a brushed aluminium pack, although this has the upgrade with the high gloss black, as you can see. The seats are as standard 14-way comforts. You can, of course, upgrade. All seats, though, do come with Porsche crested headrests, which are usually optional. You get the sport design steering wheel as well, which is a slightly smaller diameter. It still gives you all the multi-function accessibility that I believe you should have on a Cayenne anyway. The car also, as standard specification, is fitted with the active air suspension as well, and the panoramic roof, which is sensational on the Cayenne. It peels right the way back. That is also included as standard specification. I hope you found that useful as a quick overview into the Cayenne, in this case Black Edition. But again, like the premise of the Black Edition really, which, as I said, is rolled out across the entire Porsche sports car lineup. So it's not just available for the Cayenne, it's 911s as well. They're released at different times, of course. So it's a lot of great spec that's thrown in. So good value for us as the customers. Okay. In terms of the Cayenne pricing, looking at anything from 90 grand for base Cayenne in SUV body style up to 110k, which is for the S in coupe body style. So I believe. So I hope that helps. That's the lovely Black Edition here at Porsche Centre Bournemouth. Hope you found this useful. Thanks as always for all your support on Nomex TV. Just a very quick video to, hopefully educate as to some of the nuances of the Porsche sports car lineup. Thanks again for all your support. We'll see you again soon on Nomex TV.